For those who wish for an excellent academic experience, London is said to be the perfect city for them. Rushworth Street SE1 student accommodation helps you explore this magnificent capital of England with a pinch of luxury in it. Rushworth Street SE1 offers you a wide range of studios and ensuites. People who love to socialize and experience every bit of life get a premium single ensuite, where you get your own private room, a private bathroom, and a shared kitchen. And those who need the entire space for themselves get the options to choose from a variety of studio options. The rooms comprise a comfortable bed, a study table with a lamp, and a wardrobe to keep their belongings safe and secure. You also get a laundry facility, weekly cleaning, and a television installed in the apartments. Well-renowned universities like the London South Bank University and the University of West Scotland are just a short walk away from the residence. For all the adventures, the locality is filled with options to explore and have fun. White Cube Art Gallery, the view from the Shard Scenic Spot, and the Tower of London are just a short ride away. So, what are you waiting for? It's time for action. Visit amberstudent.com and book your dream haven now.